This video walks you through how to convert an estimate to an invoice in Wave. Begin in Wave and make sure you are already signed in to the correct account. Before you move further, confirm that the right business is selected. If you manage more than one business in Wave, this is the point where it matters, since the estimate and invoice need to stay under the same business profile. Once that is set, go to the left-hand menu and click Sales and Payments. This opens the area where your customer sales documents are managed. From there, click Estimates to open the list of estimates in that business. In the Estimates section, look through the list and find the estimate that you want to convert into an invoice. When you locate the right one, click the estimate to open its details page. This is where you can review the estimate itself before creating the invoice from it. On the Estimate Details page, click Convert to Invoice. After you select that option, Wave creates a new invoice using the information already saved in the estimate. That includes the customer details, the products or services listed on the estimate, the quantities, the prices, and any taxes that were included. This helps carry over the original estimate information into the invoice so you can review it instead of entering everything again. When the invoice opens, take a moment to review it carefully. Check that the customer, item details, quantities, pricing, and taxes match what you expect. If anything needs to be updated before sending it, make those changes here. You can adjust the invoice date, the due date, or any other invoice details that need attention before the document is finalized. After you finish reviewing and updating the invoice, click Save and Continue. This saves the invoice in Wave and moves you forward to the next view, where you can confirm the completed invoice before sending it out. With the saved invoice now on screen, review it one more time to make sure the final version is ready for the customer. If everything looks correct, click Send Invoice when you are ready to send it. That completes the conversion from estimate to invoice and sends the finished invoice using the details you carried over from the estimate. Thanks for watching. Your estimate has now been converted into an invoice in Wave and is ready to send to the customer.